Today we're going to be looking at patterns in our Google Classroom. There are two things you need to do on each slide. The first thing you need to do is look at the pattern that's listed in the white already for you. Then you need to decide which picture would come next. Down here in this pink box, it says the word choose. You need to choose which picture should go next. Then over here in the turquoise box, it has a pattern label for you. This pattern label is A, B, question mark. Just like the pattern says A, B, question mark. So let's do the first thing together. We're going to find out which picture goes in the yellow box. And I can see it's green ice cream, striped ice cream, green ice cream, striped ice cream. So the next one's going to be green ice cream. I'm going to click with my mouse, hold down my left button, and drag it over to the yellow box. Now I'm going to do the second thing I need to do on my screen. A, B. What's my next letter going to be? Well, I'm going to look up at my pattern and I can see that my next letter is going to be A because the A is labeled for the green ice cream. So I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to double click, which means 2 clicks on the red question mark. 1, 2, nice and quick. So it turns blue. And then I can type using my letters on my keyboard for which letter I would like to do. Now we already said I wanted to do A, so I'm going to type and push the letter A. Now when you put your letters in, they will be lowercase, but the letters that are given on each screen are uppercase, and that's okay. Yours are going to be lowercase. All right, let's look at a little bit harder one. Let's go down a little bit. Let's look at this one together. So we have 2 things we need to do on each screen. The first thing is choose which picture comes next. So I have a lady with both arms down, then a lady with one arm up, and then both arms up. And then it repeats. So I have down, 1, up, down. I know my next picture is 1. So I'm going to click and drag her up to the yellow box. And then I'm going to do my fill-in box. So my pattern is A, B, C. A, I'm going to double click, which means 2 clicks real quickly on my mouse so it turns blue. And I'm going to put in my letter, which I know is B, for the pattern. A, B, C. A, and then we just put up the picture B. Now, there are 2 slides at the very end of your practice, slide 18 and 19, that say this black box, make your own. So I've given you 2 pictures, and you can create whatever pattern you want to. So let's say you want to do ice cream, flower, ice cream, and then when you run out of room, you can leave that blank for me to do. Ice cream, flower, ice cream, and then down here, double click so it turns blue, and you can do your pattern using letters. So your pattern would be A, B, A, and then you can leave that blank for me. So there's 2 of those. The first one is ice cream and flowers. The second one is a cake and a house. When you're all done with your practice for patterns, you may turn it into your Google Classroom so your teacher can see it.